here, we'll get up under this.
Look how severe this rain is, YouTubers. Today we are storm chasing while getting to our house. It doesn't look like anything because it's so dark.
There you go.
Oh my goodness, did you just see that? Oh my goodness, that's severe. So we had a severe thunderstorm watch. And I know why it was a severe thunderstorm watch. What? YouTubers, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this heavy rainfall? What? I'm recording. We're storm chasing, dude.
I'm recording storm chasing, dude.
No,
There's McDonald's up here.
Look how heavy that rain is. We can probably go inside and eat in McDonald's. Can we go inside?
These people are pulling up.
Mom.
I don't know what we're doing, Des. I don't know if we're just going to sit here for a minute.
You want to do that? It's going to make you feel more comfortable?
Whatever's going to make you feel more uncomfortable, we're going to do this. I'm still recording storm chasing.
Oh my God. You see this weather?
Oh my goodness.
You might want to stay there for a minute.
Yeah. Oh.
This is severe. Whoa, my goodness. This is really windy. What the freak? Did you just hear that too? Oh, that was severe. That was... When have you ever...
I guess going the other way wouldn't be so bad. It's coming right at you.
Stay in the freaking building! Get a shelter! Burp, burp, burp.
Oh my goodness, Des. Oh, now you're probably can't even.
Oh my! It's leaking
Hello?
through the...
Hey, are you guys driving? Oh, okay, because Rachel said I should call and let you guys know it's like storming really bad, and we were on the highway and we had to get off because it was really
Hey, and the proof is a video that I'm recording, and the video is called
Where are you guys at?
Proof of Our Storm Chasing. Yeah. Wow, what the freak?
Tell your dad you might want to wait a little bit because it's like we're driving on the highway.
Oh my goodness!
It's so raining so bad.
Well,
I want you guys to
I'm
be careful,
trying
that's
to
all,
give
okay?
a quick. I was just
All
trying
right, I
to
hope
do
you had
a
a good
quick
time,
review
okay?
of
All right,
how
have a good night.
severe that storm is.
Bye.
YouTubers.
Yeah.
I told them that what the video was named.
Yeah, she said they were getting in the car. Turn!